Today I'm here to tell you some exercises to improve your physical fitness. So today I will tell you how a step test, step up on the stairs. Okay, but before that you have to do stretching exercise. So stretching exercise and side stretching. Okay, half stretching, full stretch. So it will prevent your injuries. Okay, so our muscles get ready that we should warm up before doing any activity. Okay, so that exercises, stretching exercises always prevent injuries. So step up test, how to perform in this step. One step up, okay, right or left, you can start from any in which you feel comfortable, right? So in coordination, one step will go up and another will land on the floor. Okay, so one up and another is down, as you can see. Okay, now simultaneously I will step up left on the stairs and right will be on the down side. So like this you have to perform. Okay, 30 seconds. In 30 seconds how much step you can do, intensity depend upon your ability. Okay, so you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 21 22 23 24 25 27 28 29 30 31 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42. You can do it 50 times, 100 times. Okay, but the thing is that 30 seconds, in 30 seconds how many time, how much you can perform, how many repetitions you can do. Okay, so it will we can measure our cardiovascular fitness by doing this test. This is known as Harvard step test, and that as well as improve our leg strength, right? Stop. Okay, after step our step test, after step up, our second exercise is flamingo, balancing pose. Okay, flamingo pose. Okay, this is for good to improve your balance ability. So right or left side, one leg you step, you can keep a break. Okay, that 3 to 4 inch 3 inches above from the floor. Okay, and you can place your right foot or left foot and one foot, hold your leg from the back and one arm straight forward and then bend down. Okay, so it must be like a flamingo. Okay, so it is known as flamingo pose. Keep it in the mind, the 60 seconds you hold your position up to the 60 seconds and count your pose, how many times you fall. Okay, and your eye should be straight forward. You should have to concentrate on something and should not be distracted from the external things, right? And then slowly get back and then another side. You bend down as many as possible. Okay, so now another side. Okay, first of all you have done from the right and now we will do from the left. Hold this similarly and bend down. Your knees should not be flexed. The weight should be on the one leg and then get back slowly. Okay, but bend down. Keep it in the mind, this leg should not be bent. It should be straight up. Okay, then bend down as many as possible you can do. I hope you understand. Okay, next, partial curl up. Okay, this can be performed. Okay, there should be little distance. Okay, the fingertips, it must be touched with the heel of foot. Okay, your heels must be touched with the fingers. So when we make a curve in the body, we have to up and then touch it in the toes. So 30 seconds and 10 repetition you can perform. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. After doing this, you just raise your legs and hold this, okay, and 30 seconds hold will improve your abdominal strength, quadriceps, right, and good for if you are suffering from any kind of joint pains, okay, arthritis, so it will improve these all things. All as category can be performed, okay, as well as it will improve your leg strength, okay. So 30 second hold. So both exercise you can do by 2 to 3 repetition at least you can do, okay. 3 sets you can do, and repetition depend upon your ability. 5 repetition, 10 repetitions, and day by day you can increase this, okay. Next one is squats, half squats. It is known as half squats. Keep your both hands on the chest, okay, and then bend down. 1 half squats, not fully, okay. In chair position we have to make chair position, okay. 1 continuously, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can improve your speed also, depend on intensity. 90 to 100% can be done, but initially if you are beginners, 50 to 60% intensity you can put, okay. And 30 repetition, 10 repetition, 20 repetitions you can perform, right. After doing this, so it will this squares, half squares, good for leg strength, okay. It will improve your leg strength. Next one is for shoulder strength, okay. Push-ups, very important, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are simple, but you can place your palms, okay, fingers facing to each other. It must be touch with each other. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 repetitions you can do, but go down. It will. These are good for the outer layer of muscles of the body and will make your posture attractive. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day. I hope you will perform these exercises.